Do you want night vision effects like this in your Unity games? First, let's create a new C# script. Call it Night Vision Controller. Since we are dealing with post-processing effects and volumes, we must start by including the correct namespaces. Now that we have access to the volume system, we need a reference to the global volume we created and a Boolean to track the current state of our night vision. Remember to set the night vision volume variable as public so we can drag and drop our night vision _ volume object from the scene right into the inspector. This is the heart of our solution. We flip our Boolean flag and then directly set the enabled property of the volume component. When it's enabled, the effect applies. When disabled, the camera returns to normal. Simple and efficient. The simplest way to control the effect is by simply enabling or disabling the volume component itself. Let's set up our logic in the update method to check for player input. Simply right-click in your hierarchy, go to Volume, and select Global Volume. Name it something clear like Night Vision _ volume. We need to create a new profile for this volume. Click the New button to generate a custom asset. This profile will hold all the settings that define our night vision look. Now let's start adding our key effects. Night vision is essentially a combination of specific color grading, noise, and maybe a bit of bloom. Let's add some bloom. Night vision goggles often amplify light sources, creating a glow. Enable bloom and set the intensity relatively high, maybe between 5 and 10, depending on your scene's lighting. This will make streetlights or screen indicators really pop. Vignette. The final piece of the base look is the classic goggle shape. Add vignette. Increase the intensity to darken the edges of the screen, simulating the edges of the night vision goggles viewfinders. Adjust the smoothness to control how harsh or soft the fade is. Color adjustment. Click Add Override and search for color adjustments. The classic night vision look is green, so we will primarily use the color filter option. Enable it and select a distinctive military green color. This sets the overall tone. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this content and want to support the channel, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more focused Unity tutorials.